You joined me in BoyWonderFPV today. I broke him out of school early on the last day of term to film this video. What we're going to do is we're going to take all three of the Air75 Mark IIs, the Racing, the Champion and the Freestyle. BoyWonderFPV is going to plug them in. I'm going to keep these goggles on at all times. We've turned off the OSD, we've turned on the rates to be exactly the same as each other, and I'm going to try and tell, or I'm going to try and see if I can tell which drone is which. Or is it all just pseudo nonsense and I'm talking rubbish when I say that the Champion is better than the rest? Let's find out. Let's freaking go.
I'm recording.
Okay, right, so I can't say anything. BoyWonderFPV's over there plugging a drone in. I don't know which one it's going to be. I'm going to fly it, I'm going to land it. BoyWonder's going to time me for 2 minutes and then I'm going to come back and land. I don't know which one he's going to plug in. I don't know what's going to happen. Let me just check the stick cams on. Yep. Okay, I've got a drone on screen. BoyWonder's put it on the ground. Let's freaking go. Right, so slight change of plan. I have bent a motor on the Champion Edition and we've just tried to fly it, and unfortunately it's failed us. There is no other word for it. So BoyWonder's going to plug in the other two, and then at one point he's going to plug in the 65 Champion. Okay, so I don't know what drone this is. So let's give it a little bit of beams. So yeah, we're going to fly the 65 Champion Edition as well. So we're going to fly the 75 Freestyle, the 75 Race and the 65 Champion Edition. I'll be honest, this feels like the 65 Champion Edition, but I'm not going to give... Oh, it's in a puddle! Okay, this is very smooth and feels more linear. Yeah. I mean, it is flying really well. I'm a little bit on these sticks. It's taking me a little bit of time to get used to this new controller. So the fly may not be the best, but yeah, I'm pretty certain I know what this one is. But we'll just keep going for a second. As you can see, we've got no OSD, so there is no way of cheating, no clues. And I haven't taken these goggles off yet. So
I feel like you know which one it is.
yeah, I'm fairly happy I know which one it is, but I'm not going to guess yet.
Which one do you think it is?
I think it's a 65 Champion. But yep, don't say anything. Right, what I'm going to do then is I'm fairly confident that where the power is. Pardon? Time's almost up. Okay. Okay. Just getting used to this controller is. I probably should have used one I'm a bit more used to. Time's up. Right, I'm going to land and BoyWonder's going to switch on me. Yeah, this is definitely a 75. That's definitely the 65 Champion. Yeah, I'm happy with that. This is the Freestyle. This is the 75 Freestyle.
Oh, careful.
We're all good. Oh, my hands have suddenly gone very shaky, I don't know why. I've gone very ragged. Let's just try and relax a little bit. That's a tree. Oh, it's near the blue car.
Oh my god. Scared me, bro.
Hang on a minute. Right, we're having to rush this because it started to rain quite badly. Okay, so I said last time that was a Freestyle, and I'm going to take that back, and I'm going to say this is the Freestyle, but only just. I can just notice it is slightly down on power versus the last one. Yeah, But as you can see, I'm able to do the same thing, slide through the trees as well, with all three of them. So that really brings into question what's more important to you. Is it about raw performance? And we are having to be quick with this one because this one's not waterproofed. Oh.
Good?
Yep.
Yes. I always think of beating even a little kadonk.
Oh, we love a good kadonk. We do love a kadonk. Yeah, to be fair, you can tell it is slightly down on power, but it's actually not that bad at all. So what's important to you? Is it raw performance? Well, I mean, I'm saying all this, but I could be completely wrong. So actually, let's finish this flight first, and then I need to ask BoyWonderFPV which drones are which. Lovely, lovely. It's so nice. All three of these, even, I'm fairly certain the 65 was the first one. Even the 65 Champion Edition, they're all just so good. Oh, did you see that? A power loop through the hole. I knew before, I thought I can get that, but I'm not going to say it because I didn't want to embarrass myself.
But then you just do it. Do you know who I am, kid?
Do you know who I am, kid? Right, I'm going to throw this at your head. Catch it, kid. Okay, so that is our blind test, and honestly, I'm 99.9% certain that the first drone I flew was the Air75 Champion Edition. Now, I've got BoyWonderFPV over there. He's going to pass me whatever drone it was that I flew first. And it was indeed the Air75 Champion Edition. You could tell because it's a little bit smoother and a little bit more controlled. Even outdoors in this type of weather, it was just a little bit more controlled than the 75. Doesn't mean the 75 is bad or out of control, but it just has a different feeling, a different vibe to it. Secondly, I said it was the Freestyle, but then after flying the third one, I changed my mind. And I said that the second drone that I flew was the Racing Edition Air75 Mark II. BoyWonder? The pink one. And BoyWonder has just passed me this, which is the Air75 Mark II Racing Edition, which means the last drone on there was the Freestyle Edition. And honestly, I had a blast with all of them. I really, genuinely enjoyed every single one of them. I didn't find the power gap to be that massive, even at first, confusing the Freestyle and the Racing. My point being is, if you want maximum performance, but you're a little bit worried about having to solder those motor wires, the Racing Edition is more than good enough. Now, we didn't fly the 75 Champion Edition because, obviously, when we tried to take off, I bent one of the motors and it was broke. So, yeah. That explains the caption at the start of and why we had to do it. But if you've got any questions, we've really enjoyed this test, haven't we, BoyWonder?
Yes.
From me, Squadding Quads, and from him, BoyWonder.
Peace.
Peace! YouTube and I have had a chat, and we believe that this is the video that you'll like the most. So watch it and let me know if they're right.